Hi there, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for my subscribers. I love you all. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese style steamed buns all from scratch. Squishy from the outside and inside is filled with beef and vegetables. Let's get started. We'll first start by making the dough. We need 3 cups of flour, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. And then we're going to add 1 1/3 cup of lukewarm water. Now we can stir everything together. I usually start off with using a pair of chopsticks first. And then we're going to use our hand to knead it into a dough. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. By the end of the kneading, your dough should look quite smooth like this and not very tacky. Now, we're going to cover the dough and let it rest in a warm place for about 1 hour or till it doubles in size. For the fillings today, I used half pound of ground beef, 1 egg, celery, and cilantro. Chop the celery and cilantro. Add the egg to the ground beef. To make the filling juicier, we're going to add additional water to the beef. Then, soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, salt, Sichuan peppercorn, and if you have any, Chinese 5 spice. Now we're going to stir everything together and mix it really well. We're going to mix it till it looks quite pasty, like this. And then we're going to add back in our vegetables. Before we take the dough out, let's put on 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. This enhances the texture of the dough and will make it much easier to work with. Knead the dough a few times to release air bubbles, then divide it into half. It's much easier to work with half of the dough. Now take 1 half and roll it into a log shape. We will divide this half into 12 equal pieces. So total, we can make 24 steamed buns. To make the steamed bun, take 1 piece of the dough and first roll it between your palms to make it into a round ball, and then flatten it with your hand. Make sure you dust plenty of flour on your working surface. Now use a rolling pin, roll out the dough into a round pancake shape. The skin should be fairly thick, around 3 millimeters. My grandma used to make the center even slightly thicker than the edges, because the bottom will collect some juice during steaming later. Now let's make the bun. Put 1 tablespoon of the filling to the center of the wrap. Lift the edge with 2 fingers, and then use the other hand to make a fold. Continue this process and pinch all the folds tightly together. Another closer look. If you are making this the first time, it may not be as easy as it seems, but with some practice, we can all do it, trust me. It will take at least 15 minutes to make all the buns, so cover them with a damp cloth and they won't dry up. Alright, let's steam the buns. To steam the buns, use at least 6 cups of tap water. To prevent sticking, you can first put down a layer of cheesecloth and then arrange the buns so they're not too close together. They will expand somewhat during steaming. Turn the heat to high. Once the water starts to boil, steam on high for 20 minutes and you are done. They're super fluffy, it has a great texture to the wrap, and the filling is just so juicy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like or subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!